What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. If you are a network marketer or an affiliate marketer who's struggling to build your email list, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you an email marketing strategy plus a free training on how to build your email list from scratch. Okay, one of the problems that I had when I first started trying to make money online was that I did not build my email list, and I didn't do that simply because I was just simply trying to make money. I didn't care how I did it. I just wanted to make money. I wasn't thinking about building an email list, but now I see that that was a mistake that I made years ago. Now I am faithfully building my email list, because if you don't have an email list, you are leaving money on the table. And here's the number one thing: if you're not building an email list, you don't really have a business online. I want you to understand this and grasp this and get this into your spirit, because if you don't have an email list, you really don't have a business. If Instagram shuts you down, Facebook shuts you down, YouTube shuts you down, Facebook shuts you down, Twitter shut you down, TikTok, whatever platform that you are marketing on, if they shut you down and you're not building an email list, then you are leaving money on the table and you no longer have a business. Now you have to go to some other platform and try to start from scratch to build your audience, engage that audience, and get that audience to buy for you. You need to build the know, likes, and trust with them. I know a young lady who has an email list of 3,000, maybe 4,000 people, and she wins affiliate contests because she built her list of ideal customers, people she wants to work with, people who know, like, and trust her. And that's what you want to be doing at the same time. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm actually going to show you, okay, how you can get started building your email list from scratch. It doesn't matter if you're a network marketer or an affiliate marketer. This works regardless. You just need to know the principles. You need to develop the skill set, and you need to make it work for you. So what we're going to do in this video, I'm actually going to drop down. I'm going to show you the page. There's going to be a link in the description. I want you to click that link in the description to go ahead and get started with this, because this live training is going to take place this Wednesday, August the 25th. Okay. It's going to be like 3 days, 2 hours, 3 minutes, and 31 seconds left in it. Whatever time you're watching the video, I don't know what time you're going to see it, but just understand, if you're really serious about making money online, really serious about growing a profitable business, then this is for you. Now, I'm not making any guarantees of income, because I don't know if you're willing to even attend the training, and if you attend the training, if you're even willing to do what the training is going to teach you how to do in order to build your email list from scratch. So if you're looking for email marketing for network marketing or email marketing for affiliate marketing, then this video is specifically for you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop down in the corner, and you're going to come to this page right here. On this page, this happens this Wednesday night, August the 25th, 8 p.m. Eastern time. So mark your time zone. 3 simple steps to launch, leverage, and grow your email list. Why it's 100% critical to all network marketers, affiliate marketers, okay, to build an email list to make long-term great money in this profession. PS is easier than you think. Click the button right here to reserve your spot, okay, and then you're going to see the best part is you can start building your list 100% free. Seriously, it costs you nothing to start. You'll be taking the simple steps to get more leads, sales, and sign-ups today. Plus, you acquire the ability to print money on demand in minutes. Okay. P.S. This is a one-time only event, and we won't be sending out recordings. Said differently, you must show up live to the webinar to get all of the good. Your host is going to be, okay, Brian Finelli, Jim Finale, and Diane Hockman. This is the young lady that I was talking about. Her list is not huge. You don't need a list of 10,000 people in order for this to work for you. So if you're looking for an email marketing strategy, it's going to be revealed, okay, this Wednesday night, that's going to help you grow your business, okay? So what are you going to get? When you click reserve my spot, you're actually going to fill out this form, put in your name, email, and phone number, and click the register now button. You're going to be taken to this page right here. Congrats, you're booked on the webinar, blah, blah, blah. You're going to see this page. You're going to click here to get your secret to ignite your email list and go through that process. And then here is the actual page. Now, this live 2-day email workshop to set up your first email list, write your first email letter with ease, and launch a print money asset that can pay you for life and close sales. Okay. A new software is being released and included with this workshop, where in just a few clicks, you'll have a sexy, fully branded front door lead magnet to grow your email list. Now, the training is free, but you can get access to this right now. You can watch this training here right now, which is almost 2 hours long. We don't give you any BS training. This is actual training that you can watch and start implementing now. Okay. And you can speed it up if you want to. Just read that right there. This is the actual sales page. Okay. And it's letting you know what's happening. Once you come down through here, you look at all the bonuses that you're going to get. Okay, and it's only $47 for you to get started right now, or you can register and wait till Wednesday night, okay, to get the free training. That's totally up to you. However you feel like doing it, this $47 is a steal for what you're going to learn in here. So you can add this to your cart. Continue to read this page and go along in the video. So let me show you the actual secret software that they are talking about that you're going to get. Don't remember, watch this video. Okay, top 10 email subject lines of 2021. Number one got an 88% open rate. Watch the video if you want to know the top 10 subject or headlines for emails in 2021. Okay, so that's that right there. You're going to get all of this right here. And if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, okay, you can see all of that, the bonuses that you're going to get with them. So this is actually my Lead System Pro, and I've been a part of my Lead System Pro for a while now. And I want to encourage you that if you are a network marketer, or even if you're learning affiliate marketing, to get in on this, okay, and to start building your email list, which is real crucial. It's important to your business that you do so. So inside of my Lead System Pro, okay, I'm under the generic lead gen. Now, in order to build your email list, you're going to need some generic lead capture information or pages. Okay, capture pages. Okay, the MLSP already has it done for you. As a matter of fact, if you count down through here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 done for you lead magnets. And the latest one that they came out with was network marketing, okay, social story profits. And let's just have a look at that page. If we click here, and this is going to be to you, this is something they are giving you to help you build your email list. Okay, and depending upon the industry that you're in, if you're in CBD oil, if you're in credit score, if you're in cryptocurrency, okay, toxic cleaning, fundamental forex, weight loss, okay, this is for you. So let's look at the story, social story profits. Okay, forgive me. If I click on this link here and open up this page, okay, this is the actual page. It's already coded to you. You see my name up here in the top corner. Got an exit pop up. If you notice right there, if someone wants access, boom, they give you the information. They're able to read this page. Okay, 30-second Facebook story sign up. This page is coded to you. Once someone clicked here and they ask for the information, okay, you come back. If I click on this link, it's going to come to this page, which is coded to you, which has your opportunity, whatever opportunity that you're in. It does not matter. You are giving them value. And when you give them value, that builds a know, like, and trust with them. Okay, you have an About Me page and the home page. This is the actual training here. An hour and 11 minutes. Then they have the bonus questions right here, an hour and 30 minutes. Download a cheat sheet. Your information goes here. Okay, any of these pages that you see here are set up the same way, but with different information. Another one that was recently added was Network Marketing My Site Hub. If I come here, if I click on that and open that one up, okay, I help home business owner get results. Okay, You can edit the pages. Okay. All of this is coded to you. Try it free for $1. I'm going to show you how to edit the pages. Okay. Then if we come down here and click on the special. And so what this means is you don't necessarily have to go out and get an outside funnel builder or whatever, because all of this is hosted in this account. All of this you can connect to whatever autoresponder that you're already using. And if you don't have an autoresponder, okay, they have a CRM, a customer relationship manager, built in here. Okay, so you have all of that as well. So now you're going to have this page once again coded to you. So let me show you the software. So if I come up here, and I just watched the training the other day. So it's new custom lead gen campaign. Custom, which means you can customize it. And so they only have 2 in here right now. And so if I'm going to click on, let's do the Firefly landing. If we look at this page, you see there's nothing there. Okay. So if I open up this page here, click on it, open it up. There's nothing there. So let's go back over here, and we're going to click on the pencil and tablet, and we're going to edit this. You can edit all of this information here. Okay. You can request the lead name, no or yes. Request the phone number, no or yes. Disable global integration rules. Enable this setting will disable the global integration rules for your account when processing integration rules. This only necessary if you want the custom integration rule to process on specific page. You don't want to. In other words, you can have this set up where they do the emailing or you can do the emailing. Okay. And you can add your Facebook pixel here. Click to save. Customization. Okay. Let's look at the customization. Let's say the page title go here, and I'm just going to put, this is a, let me go back, because this is a test. This is a test. Page description, just going to put testing this out, just something like that. Okay. You can share an image. Okay. If you want an image that you can put on there, if you click here and go over here to, let's see, let's go to desktop, see if we can find an image, pictures, save pictures. I don't have anything on this computer, so I won't have anything. So if I want to get a picture, let's just pick that picture right there. We're going to open it up. Okay, see the file size. So we're going to have a picture. I'm on a different computer actually doing this video, so all of my files are over on my other computer. This is my little YouTube workstation. But you can add a computer here and click Save Settings. Okay, and if I come back over here and I go refresh, let's go back over here. Let's try this again. Page description. Let's preview the page. It says click here to access. Okay. Page title. Try this. Just testing this out. Okay. This is only, and like I said before, this is me trying this out. So I'm going to save the settings. Oh, this is social share. Oh, my bad. This is social share. See, I told you I'm just getting used to this, so I made some mistakes. So understand, this is social share. So what that means is that when you choose an image and put it on Facebook or whatever, it's going to pull that image and these words into that image. So that's social share. So it's not going to work. My bad. So we all make mistakes, and I'm glad I made the mistake so you won't make the same mistake. So you can choose a different theme. You got abstract, business, colorful, dark, elegant, light. So let's just say if I chose business and I come down here and save the settings, let's go back over here and refresh, see what happens. So we got a business theme. Okay. So if I want to choose, elegant, okay, we're going to come down here and click save the settings. Let's refresh it. Boom. eloquent. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to choose dark, and then I'm going to write a headline. I'm going to put testing, and you can bold this, okay? Bold it, italicize it, underline it, strike through, text color, all of that stuff right there. Okay, I'm going to leave that because we're just testing it. Sub headline, get this right, Richard. See, I can't even spell my name. Get this right, Richard. Okay, I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to bold that. Okay. Extra body copy, that's optional. Media, we can do an image or a video if you want to pull a video from YouTube, Vimeo, wherever you have a video hosting it, you can do that. Let's just say if I come over here to YouTube right quick and I grab a video of mine. Let's go over here. Let's go here to studio. Come on. Going a little slow. Let's go to studio. We're going to go to content. Okay, I'm actually going to grab just this video here, and I'm going to grab this link. I'm going to come back over here, and we're going to find, let's see, media. I'm going to do video. I'm going to put the video link in there. Okay. Button text, I'm going to leave that alone. You can have a capture pop-up. Okay, button link action page. You can have it go to another page. I'm going to save the setting because I don't want this to be real long. Okay, the settings have been saved. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to refresh it. And boom, there you go. There's your page. There's your video coming in there. All of that good stuff. If you want just one clean page, then that's what you can do. Okay. You can come down here and customize as well the thank you page. Okay. So you can do all of that. This is the private. This is the new software. This is actually built in. You have training here that's going to walk you through the process of how to do it. Okay. And you have the integrations where you're going to connect your autoresponders. So with that being said, that's simply it for this video. And look, if you're looking for a way to actually, build an email list from scratch, learn an email marketing strategies that's work so you can build a no license trust factor with the people, then join me this Wednesday night along with thousands of others who are learning how to build their email list, but not only build their email list, creating their own products, okay, with MLSP, okay? So that's what I have for you in this video. If you got value from this video, leave me a thumbs up, like the video. If you have any comments, comment below. If you have any questions, my contact information will be below. Go ahead and click the link in the description, okay, to get started with the free training this Wednesday night. Also, if you just want to go ahead on and purchase the $47 product, there will be a link in the description for that as well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you are a network marketer or an affiliate marketer and you're ready to build your email list and take your business to the next level and you're tired of struggling, click the link in the description to get on this webinar. Click the link in the description to pick up this product now. I will see you on the webinar. I look forward to partnering with you in MLSP. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.